The Indian Penal Code, IPC, 1860, provides a comprehensive framework for punishing offenders. The types of punishments under Section 53 of the IPC are as follows. 1. Death penalty. The most severe form of punishment, also known as capital punishment. Reserved for the gravest offences, such as murder, Section 302, treason, Section 121, and certain rarest of rare cases. Awarded only after careful judicial scrutiny to ensure justice and fairness. The method of execution in India is by hanging. 2. Life imprisonment. An offender is required to remain in prison for the rest of their natural life unless granted remission by the government. Life imprisonment can either mean lifelong incarceration or imprisonment for a specific number of years as per judicial discretion. Examples: murder, Section 302, kidnapping for ransom, Section 364A. 3. Imprisonment. This is further divided into two types. Rigorous imprisonment involves hard labor such as working in quarries, agricultural fields, etc. Examples: theft, Section 378, counterfeiting currency, Section 489A. Simple imprisonment, no labor is involved, and the offender is kept confined. Examples: defamation, Section 500, public nuisance, Section 290. 4. Forfeiture of property. The offender's property is confiscated by the government. Applied in specific cases such as sedition, Section 124A, and waging war against the state, Section 121. Rarely used in contemporary practice. 5. Fine. A monetary penalty imposed either as a standalone punishment or in addition to other punishments. Common in minor offences, such as for public nuisance or breach of peace. Examples: cheating, Section 420, providing false evidence, Section 193. 6. Solitary confinement. The offender is isolated from others in a prison for a specific period. Allowed under Section 73 of the IPC, but cannot exceed 3 months in total. This punishment is seldom used and is subject to judicial discretion. 7. Additional measures, not in Section 53 but practiced. Admonition or warning for minor offences under provisions like the Probation of Offenders Act, 1958. Community service. Though not explicitly in IPC, courts may order community service as an alternative to imprisonment for minor offences. Restitution and compensation. Courts may direct offenders to compensate victims under Section 357 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC. These punishments aim to serve various objectives of criminal law, such as deterrence, reformation, retribution, and prevention of further crimes. The courts apply these penalties judiciously, balancing the severity of